Good morning, students of class 5. This is a crash course video of chapter 3rd, that is I am calling. Hope you would have understood the chapter. This is just a revision video which has been produced to you as a crash video. So let us start with the summary. This is the summary. In the middle of the night, Mary awakens to the sound of rain. Unable to fall back asleep, she hears the sound of crying again. She gets out of bed, takes a candle, and goes down the long corridors to find the source. So what had happened? In the middle of the night, Mary, she is the main character of the story. She was sleeping and she was awakened in the night by the sound of the rain, which was beating against her window. And she was again unable to sleep. She was not falling asleep, and as she hears the sound of crying, she heard the sound of crying. She gets out of bed, she walks out of the bed, and she took a candle, and when she goes down the long corridors to find the source. Source here refers to the sound of the cry, from where it was coming. The crying sound was coming, so she wanted to know from where the sound is coming. When she reaches a room where she could hear the crying quite plainly, she pushes open the door and enters. So finally she reaches a room from where the sound was coming of a cry. जब वो वहाँ पे पहुँचती है, she pushes the and opens door to enter, and she enter. उसने धक्का दिया and she entered the room. There she sees the person who has been crying, an ill-looking boy with a sharp, delicate face, lying in a four-posted bed. So what he saw there? She saw a child who was sitting on the bed, and he was looking ill, and he was having a sharp, delicate face also. Lying in a when the boy sees Mary, he asks if she is a ghost. So जैसे ही मैरी को वो देखता है, he thought she is a ghost. She says no and asks him if he is. और वो उससे पूछती कि यार तुम तो ghost नहीं हो. He declares, I am calling Caravan. What did she say? He said that no, I am not a ghost. I am calling Caravan. When he again questions whether she is real, she lets him touch her woolen robe to prove she is. So what had happened? They both were confused whether Colin is ghost और मैरी इज घोस्ट. दोनों एक दूसरे को कन्फ्यूज़न में था. उस चीज़ को क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए व्हाट डिड दे डिड, उन लोगों ने एक दूसरे को टच किया. ओके, एंड व्हेन दिस वाज एंड दे टच्ड ईच अदर, देन दे वर कंफर्म दैट दे वर नॉट घोस्ट. They discover their cousins. Neither has been told of the other's existence or presence in the house. So they have discovered that they both are cousins. Okay? Neither has been told of, दोनों को किसी को भी नहीं पता था कि मैरी यहाँ रह रही है या फिर कॉलिन यहाँ पे रह रहा है. Colin explains no one told Mary about him because if they had, he should have been afraid. She would see him and he does not like people to see him and talk about him. कॉलिन ने कहा कि उसे मैरी के बारे में इसलिए नहीं बताया गया था बिकॉज ही वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ पीपल. और अगर वो उसे देखता है तो शायद वो अफ्रेड हो जाता. Colin tells Mary he is ill and that if he lives he may be a hunchback. He does not expect to live, however, but to die young. In an answer to Mary's query, he explains that he is not locked in the room but prefers to remain in it because it tires him too much to be moved out of it. What did Colin say? Colin ने कहा he wanted to live in room as he did not wanted to go outside. Sorry. So here Colin says Mary that he was ill and he wanted to live alone in the room as he was having hump on his back. और वो पीपल से अफ्रेड होता था, वो बाहरी लोगों से संपर्क में नहीं आना चाहता था. ही वॉन्टेड टू लिव इन द रूम अलोन, सो ही हैज़ लॉक्ड हिमसेल्फ इन द रूम. ओके. In answer to Mary's query, he explains that he is not locked in the room but prefers to remain in it because it tries him too much to be moved out of it. वो उसको लॉक नहीं किया गया था, but he wanted to live alone, so he was living alone in that room. His father visits him when Colin is sleeping but does not like to see him. His father visits him when he was sleeping. Okay? He thinks his father hates to think I may be like him. Also, Colin's mother died when he was born, and it makes his father rest to look at me. Mary makes a comment about how Mr. Caravan hates the garden because his wife died, and Colin asks, "What garden?" She quickly asks him another questions to avoid answering him. So here Colin says that he don't want to move outside and he want to remain in, मतलब वो रूम ही में रहना चाहता था, and he don't want to किसी के संपर्क में नहीं आना चाहता था. And her mother has died as when he was born, जैसे उसका जन्म हुआ था उसी समय उसकी मम्मी का डेथ हो चुका था. And so his father always looked at him with his father doesn't go and visit him when he is sleeping, then only he go and visit him as he don't want to see him. Why he don't want to see him? Because he was hunchback means उसके पीठ पे हम्प हो गया था. जैसे हम लोग ऊँट के पीठ पे हम्प देखते हैं, कैमल के पीठ पे हम लोग हम्प देखते हैं. इन द सेम वे ही वॉज हैविंग हम्प ऑन हिज बैक, मतलब वो कुबड़ा था. ठीक है, कुबड़ा व्यक्ति होता है ना, उस तरह वो डाउन थोड़ा सा फोल्ड हो गया था, उसका स्पाइन जो था वो मुड़ गया था. So what had happened? Mr. Caravan hates the garden because his wife died, and Colin asks, "What garden?" मिस्टर कैरेवन एक गार्डन था जिसको मिस्टर कैरेवन ने लॉक कर दिया था, and he don't want to go to that garden. And when Mary talked about that garden, so Colin was excited and asked, "Which garden? What garden?" Colin tells Mary more about his life, his trips to the seaside, and his doctor. He wonders if he is dreaming because his encounter with Mary does not seem real. Recognizing that he does not like people to see him, Mary asks if he would like her to leave. He says no and tells her to prove she is real by sitting on a footstool and telling him about herself. As he tells him about India and coming to Mizelt Vale, Colin appears to grow drowsy but suddenly asks how old she is. Mary says she is 10, the same age as he. Colin asks how she knows that, and she tells him the garden door has been locked since he was born, which was 10 years ago. Colin wants to know all about the garden. Mary tells him no one has been allowed to go into it for 10 years. Mr. Caravan hates it, and the servants won't talk about it. So here Colin tells Mary more about his life, his trips to the seaside and his doctors. वो अपने ट्रिप्स अपने लाइफ के बारे में बताता है, his trip to the seaside and about the doctors. He says all things to the Mary. He wonders if he is dreaming. Again he is wondering whether he is dreaming. He was doubting whether Mary is real or not. Recognizing that she was real, and he recognizing after that he don't like the people. Mary asked him whether she would leave the room, but he says no. He tells her to sit beside him on the stool which was present there, and then she tells him about the idea of coming to Colin appears to grow drowsy, और उसके बाद उसको बताती है कि how she came to the room, and Colin appears to go drowsy but suddenly asks how old she is. उसके बाद उसकी स्टोरी सुनने के बाद किस तरह वो उस रूम में आती है. Colin started to become drowsy as he was ill. उसे ज़्यादा लोग पसंद नहीं थे, बातें करना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं था, so he was becoming drowsy. But again but suddenly he asked Mary that how old she was, and they both were of same age. They were of 10 years old. So then again Colin asked how she knows that he was 10 years old, and how she knows that the garden was locked 10 years ago. Then Colin wanted to know more about the garden. Mary tells him that no one has been allowed to go into that garden, and Mr. Caravan hates it. जो अंकल थे, जो Colin के फादर थे, मैरी के अंकल थे, he hates that garden, and the servants also didn't talk about that garden. Colin tells Mary he does not want to live, nor does he want to die. Colin बताता है कि नहीं वो जीना चाहता है, नहीं वो मरना चाहता है. He want to talk about the garden, but he also want to see it. He wanted to talk about garden, but he also wanted to see that garden. He announces his plans to make the servants take him there. He says that how the servants I will talk to the servants, and then whatever I will tell, I have the power to conceive. Means I have the power to console the servants, and when I will ask anything, they will be ready to do so. So जब भी मैं उन्हें जो कहूँगा वो उन लोग बात मानेंगे, and they will take me to the garden. Mary is afraid that if this happens, she will no longer feel like a missile thrust with a safe haven rest. So उसे लगता है कि मैरी को ये डर हुआ कि जब अगर वो ऐसा करता है, कॉलिन सर्वेंट से बोलकर वहाँ गार्डन जाता है, सीक्रेट गार्डन, तब फिर वो सीक्रेट गार्डन रहेगा नहीं, बिकॉज एवरीबडी विल बी नोइंग अबाउट दैट गार्डन. सो द गार्डन विल no longer be a secret. So she pretends that she does not know where the garden is. फिर वो बताती है कि we don't know where the garden is, and Mary and Colin decide that she will try to find the garden. If she does, she can have a boy push his wheelchair and he can visit the garden. वो बताती है कि गार्डन तो है पर उसकी की जो है वो लॉस्ट हो चुकी है, उसे छुपा दिया गया है. तो जब पता चलेगा तो फिर हम और तुम, मिस कॉलिन एंड मैरी, both will go in that garden, and then they will go there and play there, and only that garden will be made for them. मतलब सिर्फ वही दोनों जाएंगे, तब वो सबके लिए सीक्रेट रहेगा, पर वो लोग के लिए सीक्रेट नहीं रहेगा. And then only we will go there and we will play there. Mary tells him what she thinks the secret garden would look like. उसके बाद वो बताती है कि सीक्रेट गार्डन जो है वो कैसा लगेगा. And she says that जब भी हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे, we will go there, we can play there, watch the roses. वहाँ पे जो फ्लावर्स होंगे उसको देखेंगे, तो कितना मतलब so nicer it will be so nice. और वो सीक्रेट रहेगा क्योंकि किसी को इसके बारे में नहीं पता रहेगा, बस हम लोग दोनों उस सीक्रेट के बारे में जानेंगे. सो आई फील ऑलमोस्ट श्योर दैट आई कैन फाइंड आउट हाउ टू गेट इन सम टाइम. और कभी ना कभी हम इसके बारे में जानेंगे कि कैसे हम उस सीक्रेट गार्डन में जाएंगे. एंड शी विल लेट Colin also on his wheelchair. She will take him to the garden, and we both will play. We both will visit that garden. Won't you like that? तो Colin बोलता है कि yes, of course I like that. एंड आई शुड माइंड फ्रेश एयर इन अ सीक्रेट गार्डन. और वो बोलता है कि फ्रेश एयर से तो मुझे नफरत है, बट गार्डन में जाऊँगा तो मुझे जो फ्रेश एयर मिलेगी, आई वुड लव दैट फ्रेश एयर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, हियर द स्टोरी लास्ट. Now, Mary promises to come to visit and talk as often as she can, but she reminds Colin that she has to took for the door to the secret garden. He tells her that he plans to keep their visit a secret. Means again the same thing. Mary promises to come and visit and talk to as often as she can with Colin. She said that yes, I'll come and visit to you, and she will look for the door to the secret garden, and she will search for the door, and finally they both decided that the garden will be a secret garden, and they will try to visit that garden. Okay children, this was the story. This was a very simple story. Hope you would have understood it. Children, here are few questions, so answer the following. First one, what awakened Mary? Why could she not go back to sleep? Answer, Mary was awakened by the sound of rain beating against her window. She did not go back to sleep because of the mournful sound of the wind. Next, question number 2. What aroused Mary's curiosity? What did she decide to do? Answer, a faint sound, fretful crying coming down the corridor awakened Mary's curiosity. She decided to find out what was it, and she took a candle and went softly out of the room. So these both answers, write in your copies. I'll give you PDF also. Write all the answers and learn it out. It is important questions for your examinations. Hope you all will be good at home. Study hard and stay at home. Thank you.